Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done the UFO, and I wanted to keep you updated on some of the changes that I've made to help your spaceship last longer and store better, and just give it a little fresh update. So here are some of the things that I did to keep it updated. And I should mention that you're gonna need to watch my original video to see how I put this UFO together, and then just watch this quick video to see what's been updated. I used PVC pipe glue to glue together the bottom octagon. Just makes it easier for storage and for future use. I just glued it with PVC pipe glue, and then the top, the octagon top, I did the same thing. Just make sure that when you use the glue that you angle those T-connectors so the long pipes fit properly. Simply take the bottom base, connect the long poles, and put the octagon top on top. So one of the things that I did to make it last longer is I used metal sheets instead of the chloroplast. And then I also did the same for the octagon top. I used metal. Using metal sheets was a little bit more expensive, but it made the product last longer and withstand the elements better. When cutting the sheets, they did get sharp, so I used some duct tape around each edge so that I didn't injure myself when putting it together. I also drilled holes into the top so I could place zip ties through them. And then to connect everything, I used zip ties. Just to make it easy. And then you cut the zip ties, you can take the top off, all the sides off, and use them again next year. I also made my UFO crash land. You can see it looks like it's burning up. And I used some products called expanding foam to create this burnt look with some flickering lights to make it look like it's kind of smoldering. I used a vacuum storage bag like you store clothes in as my base, because when you spray the foam on top of it, it becomes very easy to remove. So you're going to take a product like this called Great Stuff. This is called Pond and Stone. It's got a black color to its expanding foam. Super easy to use. You simply spray it on top of your vacuum bag. Leave enough space because you're going to put lights underneath this, and you want them to shine through so it looks like a fiery or smoldering look. Your final product will look something like this. So this is the finished product. And you can see I put some twinkle lights. Well, they're just orange lights underneath. I added a little fake moss to look like it crash landed. And then on top are these are the twinkle lights. They're orange. You'll see them at night. So those are some of the changes that I made. Hope you enjoy it, and happy Halloween.